Something a lot of our clients ask for is the ability to upload photos and images into a gallery of sorts that's user interactive but doesn't take up a lot of space. And so we have a couple of solutions for that, here's one. So let's go into Pages, and we're going to go to the specific page, and let's run the HTML tab. So here you see that WordPress, we're actually using a gallery here, and it actually uses the media function from WordPress. We're going to click here and then go to the Edit Gallery button, which is going to open in a lightbox, and this is kind of the lightbox, and all these, the gallery uses all of these images and just packages them in to one box that we set into a page. So we're going to upload just a couple more images, and we're going to select files. We're going to go to our desktop, which is here. We're going to select a couple images, and you'll see that WordPress will load the images pretty quickly, and that crunching means it's trying to compress the images so the files will load quickly. The images will load rather quickly. And we'll see that those did indeed load to our gallery. So we're going to save changes. That's going to take us back to our gallery, and we'll see these two images in here. Let's scroll down to the bottom and then save changes. At this point we can close the lightbox, and you'll see here, this is kind of what this plugin looks like. And let's refresh the page. And you'll see it takes just a second to load because it's the first time these images are loading, but we see that the image is displayed in a large box like this, and then across the top we can select the picture that we want to view. Now, a weakness of this site, I think, is this large header area, because it pushes this gallery way down. And really, if you're going to go through the trouble of integrating this gallery, this good-looking gallery, I think, then you probably want to make it a little bit more highlighted. But that said, it's a good-looking gallery and a good way to automatically manage the images and make it very user interactive. Another way to break this up, because right now we just have this one row of thumbnails, if you will. One way to break this up would be to create multiple pages and then organize by content. So we could have photos of big yellow trucks, and then photos of actual equipment being used. We could have photos of awards or advertising or whatever. But that's how this plugin works. It's pretty simple, but very interactive.